The holiday gold rush. Should you roll over your 457b to Gold IRA before year-end? As the year winds down, many savers reassess their retirement strategies. For those holding a 457b plan, the question becomes increasingly important: is a year-end rollover the right financial move? With market volatility, tax considerations, and better diversification options, including Gold IRA rollover strategies, this season can be a pivotal moment. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Key reasons to consider a year-end 457b rollover. 1. Optimize tax positioning before January 1st. A rollover completed before year-end may help manage taxable distributions more effectively. Moving funds into an IRA or self-directed IRA gives you more control over your tax outlook for the upcoming year. 2. Access broader investment options. Many 457b plans limit your choices. A rollover opens the door to a wider range of assets, including physical gold, alternative funds, and specialized portfolios. This flexibility is crucial during periods of economic uncertainty. 3. Strength and protection against market swings. The final months of the year often come with market turbulence. Shifting your funds before volatility spikes can help safeguard retirement savings and maintain long-term stability. What to watch out for before rolling over? 1. Potential processing delays. Financial institutions face heavy workloads during the holiday season. Delays could push your rollover into the new year, affecting your intended tax planning. 2. Unique benefits you might lose. Some governmental 457b plans offer favorable fees or strong fund options. Exiting too quickly may eliminate advantages that support long-term growth. 3. Restrictions for non-governmental 457bs. Certain plans cannot roll into a ROS. Always verify your plan's rules to avoid triggering unexpected taxes. Is a rollover right for you now? Consider a year-end rollover if you want more investment freedom, including access to gold or alternative assets. Expect income or tax changes next year. Prefer to position your portfolio defensively before market shifts. You may want to wait if your existing plan offers strong benefits or if rollover restrictions apply. A holiday season 457b rollover can be a strategic move for investors seeking better control, expanded investment options, and improved tax management. However, it requires careful evaluation of plan rules, timing, and long-term goals. By weighing the benefits and risks, you can determine whether rolling over before year-end truly aligns with your financial ambitions. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.